माननीय श्री रीता ब्रता बनर्जी जी।
Thank you, sir. Sir, the discussion on the glorious journey of 75 years of our constitution will be incomplete without mentioning of a true polymath. Although he died almost a decade ago, before we adopted our constitution and declared ourselves as a republic, his profound and deep impact on majority of the members of the Constituent Assembly in general and on the country as a whole is an integral part of recorded history. A man of distinctive appearance, an accomplished musician and artist, an electric philosopher and a passionate political activist, Rabindranath Tagore read out a five-stanza poem in 1911 at a political session in Kolkata. The poem envisaged the inclusive idea of India. On 24th of January 1950, the Constituent Assembly adopted the first stanza of the poem as our national anthem. The rest of the four stanzas are equally important, and today I will here in this august house mention about the four stanzas. The fourth stanza that in 1911 was read out in the Calcutta session. Tagore said, "Ahoroho tabo aobhano pracharito, shuni tabo udaro bani, Hindu Bauddha Sikh Jaino Paroshik Musalman Christani, Purabo Paschimo Ashe, Tabo Singhasana Pashe, Premohar Hoy Tabo Gatha." You call us to unite day and night. Hindus and Buddhists, Jains and Sikhs, Parsis, Muslims and Christians meet. From east and west, your throne above, we move to weave a garland of love. You, the guardian of India's destiny. Victory to you, victory to you, victory to you. Potono Budayo Bandhuro Pantha Jugo Jugo Dhabito Jatri, He Chiro Sharathi Tavarata Chakre, Mukharito Pathodino Ratri, Daruno Biplavo Maje, Tavo Shankho Dhani Baje, Shankato Dukkhotrata. Through rugged paths that rise and fall, your pilgrims have traversed them all. O charioteer, the roar of your wheels echo day and night. On the trail we tread, the clarion call of your sacred conch saves us from riot, despair and dread. You, the shield of India's fate. Victory forever to you, victory forever to you, victory forever to you. ঘোর তিমির ঘন নিবিড় নিশীতে পীড়িত মূর্ছিত দেশে জাগ্রত ছিল তব অবিচল মঙ্গল নতনয়নে অনিমেষে দুঃস্বপ্নে আতঙ্কে রক্ষা করিলে অঙ্কে স্নেহময়ী তুমি মাতা। When the night was dark and utterly bleak, when our land lay in the fevered swoon, O loving mother, you held us close and shielded us from time's morrows. You, the remover of all agony, the guardian of our destiny. Victory forever to you. রাত্রি প্রভাতিল উদিল রবিচ্ছবি পূর্ব উদয়গিরি ভালে গাহে বিহঙ্গম পুণ্য সমীরণ নবজীবন রস ঢালে তব করুণারুণ রাগে নিদ্রিত ভারত জাগে তব চরণে নত মাথা। The darkness of the night is done. Sir, I crave your indulgence half a minute. The darkness of the night is done. Now watch the glory of the rising sun as India awakes. You, the Lord of mighty lords, your glory we shall always applaud. The remover of all agony, guardian of our destiny. Victory forever to you. Tagore's idea of India and our constitution has always emphasized we the people. Our constitution is a fight between monologue and dialogue. Dialogue will always defeat monologue, sir. Eternal glory, eternal victory to dialogue, eternal glory, eternal victory to our constitution. Hasta la victoria siempre, ever onward to victory. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Mani Rita Brat Banerjee ji.